Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, I am a coffee obsessed, organized planner. That's not a career, it is a personality. And today, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show this to you guys. I've been working on my coffee bar for the past about month and a half. For my birthday in May, my husband brought me a coffee bar, let me pick it out, and I was trying to search for inspiration on Pinterest, and you know, they have a bunch of really cute ones online where they have like the Keurig and the little mugs and the little coffee signs. But the thing is, and you know this if you've seen any of my other videos, I am, like I said, coffee obsessed. So I have a lot of coffee things. So just like a little stand wasn't really gonna cut it for me. That I kind of already had that. I needed something that had a lot of counter space and underneath storage so that I could store stuff, but not tall enough that it was blocking me from hanging stuff on the wall to decorate it, or like to hold my mugs. So I kind of was on my own because I couldn't find any inspiration for what I had in mind. So I'm hoping that this helps you if you are like me, and that it gives you some inspiration for what you want your coffee bar to look like. I have a very rustic farmhouse style, so that's kind of what mine looks like. My coffee bar is actually a TV stand. That's how big I needed this to be, with barnhouse doors on the bottom. I'm going to show you all of this, but I just wanted to come here and explain what exactly I'm showing you today, and I really hope you guys like it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see plenty of coffee and organization planning videos. And we're gonna get right into my coffee bar. I'm so excited. Starting from left to right, I have this coffee sign. This is from my husband. He got this for me for Christmas, and it is from Hobby Lobby. So that's a really cute farmhouse rustic look. On the side here, I have neatly lined up my Monin syrup pumps. These run for about $10 a bottle, and then plus the pump, but you can reuse the pumps, and they have so many different flavors. You can go ahead on their website and they ship it to your house. And then I have these cute little espresso mugs here that my friend got me from my bridal shower, and they're just so cute. And then I keep these nice little wooden coasters. These are from Target, here, so that when you're finished making your coffee, you can just pick this up and take this with you. And then I just have, you know, of course, your sugar here, and this cute little sugar jar. I love it. Okay, and then this is my beloved espresso machine. So I do keep some coffee in here, but I also have a separate container to keep my beans fresh. So I'll show that to you later. But this is my Breville Barista Express, and I love this machine. It is my second espresso machine. So it's not exactly for beginners. It is a little pricier, and I have a separate video showing how to make lattes on it, but it is a great machine and I do love it. Recommend it to anybody who is looking to spend a decent amount of money for a espresso machine. This is a vase from my FabFitFun box, and it's super cute. And these are just some fresh cut flowers from my garden. So they're very pretty. And then this is my grinder. I actually just recently upgraded to this grinder, and it has a grind setting on it, so you can set how coarse you want to grind your coffee, which is great if you're doing a pour over versus a French press. And then you can set a timer for how much you want to grind, and it's just really convenient. This is a static free glass down here so that the coffee doesn't stick to it after you're trying to pour it out, which was a problem with my last grinder. And I have these cute little jars here. This is actually more sugar in here. I do have 2 sugar dispensers. This one I more so use every day when I'm making my coffee, where my other jar I use if, you know, people are over and I can put that out on the table. It's a little more transportable. And then here, this says coffee on it. I actually have an airtight container specifically for my coffee. So in here, it's just hot chocolate. So that's what I keep in there, and that's just like a cute little decor there. Of course, here I have my Chemex, which I use almost every day, and my coffee scale, which I highly recommend, especially if you're using a Chemex, so you can time how quickly your Chemex is pouring and be very consistent with how much coffee you're using, but I won't get into that now because that's not what this video is about. I also have this napkin holder. This just holds my filter for my Chemex, which I thought was a brilliant idea. It's super cute and it holds it perfectly. And we don't have another napkin holder, so I totally just stole this so that I could use it for my coffee bar, but I'm sure Casey will forgive me. Okay, and then up here, this is a little rack that I have attached to the wall. I keep some towels that I'm gonna use for my for cleanup and my espresso right here. And then this is my clean spoon and dirty spoon, so I don't have to keep running back and forth to my sink in the kitchen. So it's just convenient to keep that there. I then have this palette here that is attached to the wall. This is from my husband Casey as well. He actually got this for me when we first started dating because he knows how much I love coffee. And I had this hanging in my room. This was just nice to transport right above my coffee bar. And it looks super cute, and it's got this banner in the background, which was from Target. I apologize, the palette was made by somebody that he went to school with, so I can't put a link in the description for that, but there are plenty of different wall hanging mug racks that you can find at places like Hobby Lobby and stuff. And then this is just a cute little sign that my friend got me. And these spoons, these are super cute. They say his and her coffee. These were also a wedding present from some friends. So they're super cute and I love to display them right there. Okay, so that is the top of my coffee bar. And as you can see, it is like a decent size. So I have plenty of counter space that I can work with, especially for my espresso machine. That does require a decent amount of space. So I'm really glad that I have that space now because I didn't have that before. So we're just gonna go down below here and take a look at these cabinets. So as you can see, these are barn doors. They slide back and forth like barn doors do. Under here, I needed to make sure I had an outlet. So I have a electrical strip back there, as you can see. And this is where I keep my Brevo gooseneck kettle, which I use every day. So it's very convenient to keep there, and I just fill it with my water and it heats it up so quickly. But you can look at my pour over video to see how that works. I also like to keep some paper towels on hand because coffee makes a mess sometimes. Down here, I have my cold brew machine, and it's really not doing anything fancy there. I just store it there. It is a little tall, so it takes up a lot of space. So I needed a place to put it, so that's nice. All right, on to the left. I'm gonna slide this door over. Now under here isn't like anything special. I do like to keep my espresso stuff down here and any extra syrups that I have. I'm just not using these ones right now, so that's why they're down here. This is a charger for my electrical scale, so that's why that's there. And then I just keep like an extra tamper and some coffee scoops and my milk pitchers, extra towels, and my straws down here. I'll probably put some more stuff down here eventually, but this is where I keep my espresso-based stuff. Down here is just extra mugs, and in here is actually utensils. I just kind of needed an extra place to put them. So it's not extra full down here yet. I keep my French press down here, my mugs, mason jars stay down here because they don't hang very well. So that's what's on this side. Moving on to this side, my husband made these little boxes and so that I could have them. I keep my Lysol wipes. I have filters for my espresso machine for the water. Then I have my espresso machine cleaning tabs. This is what I use to clean out my espresso machine. And then I just have some trash bags that I keep on hand here. My trash can's right down here. And then these are some just coffee bags that I might use to decorate in the future. They're the green bean coffee bags, not the vegetable, the beans before they are roasted. So I have these bags just in case I want to use them eventually. This is that coffee canister that I was talking about. It's by Blink One, and I keep my coffee in here most of the time. I slowly refill up on top in the little hoppers because I want to keep them as fresh as possible. In here I just have some tea and some hot chocolate. Have more tea in here. Tea doesn't get used very often, but I like to have it for people who do like tea instead of coffee. And then I just have some more Chemex filters here. And that's everything down here. So I think that's my whole coffee bar, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. This has been my pride and joy lately. I just love everything about having this coffee bar set up to go in the morning. It's just been really great and really convenient. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it serves as some inspiration for your own coffee bar that you can have in your own home and it be excessive and bigger than anybody else's coffee bar. And it's great. Let them judge you. It's okay. You can have a big coffee bar. Again, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I can't wait to see you back here for more videos. See ya.